What's the best size option for new Defender OCTA if you want to make the car looks more aggressive and more big? Follow some today, we are going to fix the new 20-inch forged wheel rims for the new Defender. The rims we fixed last year is 20-inch with ET size is 30. So after we upgrade the body case, especially we fixed on the aggressive wide wheel edge, that makes the rims 2-inch size is not flat with the fender flare. So today's video we're going to upgrade these wheel rims from 20-inch to 22-inch. This 22-inch we made 3 color options, when it's matte black, when it's glossy black, when it's matte gray with matte black. So this is a matte black, and we made it 22-inch 9.5G. For the ET size, I make it -2. That makes the car looks more aggressive and concave from the center caps. So I suggest you to use the AT type, which size should be 275/45 or 285/45. That will help the car looks more aggressive. Now let's start to work on it and to compare the car from 20-inch to 22-inch. If you have more questions, please leave the comments on the videos.